Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check on the weekly school report. To do that, you're going to click on report and then click on the school report. You will be directed to this page. And then to access it, you can simply click on the date corresponding to the week you are searching for. For example, we're going to select the 7th of September and then click on weekly. This will appear. You can see the attendance rate in terms of how it changes from week to week. And if you scroll down, other things that you can observe are the percentage of absenteeism due to health, social, and unknown reason. And as much as possible, the unknown reason should be 0% because unknown absences should be followed up immediately. Another valuable source of information is the top reason for absences that week. Here, for example, is toothache, and it will be good to take an action. For example, start a campaign about oral health or other action that is related to the top absence reason. And to evaluate if the action worked, you can simply select another week, the next week, and see if it still has the same absence reason. Here, for example, it has changed to headache. And if the number of the top absence reason is still the same, then that should be a matter of concern and should be investigated further.